How to fix Hulu loading error. So if you're getting the Hulu loading error for your Hulu, there's two ways on fixing it. The first way is your Wi-Fi, and the second way is your temporary cache files. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure to disconnect your Wi-Fi and reconnect it again. And if that doesn't work, make sure to fix the router. Okay, your router might not be sending the proper packets, so turn your router off, turn it back on again, maybe contact your Wi-Fi providers on what's going on, and that should fix it for you. But if it doesn't get fixed, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your run file over here and you're going to write percentage temp percentage. You're going to click on OK and it's going to open up like this. So you're going to select all these files and delete it. Now, the reason I'm making you do this is because there's a lot of temporary files in this folder that might be slowing your PC down or not sending enough packets to your PC. So just delete all of these and now your Hulu should run properly. See, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.